Oh God, you guys know when I get my glasses on, I gotta make sure I'm reading this puppy right. $42. I wanted to come on here real quick to remind you guys that if you like my content at the end, then please consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you give this video a like and leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to let me know how your day is going. And I also have a $500 makeup giveaway going on right now. I'll leave that down below. Make sure you enter that giveaway. Hi lovely people, how are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, my BOXYCHARM finally came. This was actually shipped on the 6th, but it stayed in Edison, New Jersey for at least 5 or 6 days. So I am definitely excited that this came. This is the base box, which is $25 a month, and this is the one that I purchased. So, if you want to see what is inside, what do I think of BOXYCHARM, and yeah, was it better than last month? Then just keep on watching. Alrighty, let me cut this puppy open. It literally just got here maybe a couple hours ago, and then I just got dressed and everything. So this came in, my Ipsy Ultimate, and then I'll have another video that I'm going to do with a few of the boxes that are $15 boxes. So if that is something that you're interested in, then make sure you put the post notification bell on so you'll be notified when I do upload them. But that's what the box looks like. So BOXYCHARM, if you don't know, has the regular box, which is $25. Then they have upgrade, which is the premium, which is $35. That's also shipped, and it's stuck in Edison, New Jersey. And then they have the big boy, which is every 3 months, which is the Boxy Luxe, which is $50. All right, so let's open her up. So that's what it looks like. So when you see the red and black box, then you know it's the regular base box. And then here is the card. It says BOXYCHARM. And what is the theme? Let me see. Spa, glamping. I don't know if there's like a specific theme for this month, but then on the back tells you what everything is and gives you prices. And I'll show you a little sneak peek. That's enough. I'm looking in my box, and you know, let's just move on. So also what I do like about BOXYCHARM, you do get to pick your choice item. And this is what I picked. I picked the Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser. I have tried the primer, and I don't really like the primer too much because I do have like combination skin and it really makes you look oily, at least for me. So I've never tried the cleanser, and I'm definitely excited to try it and see how that works. And let's see how much this puppy is. So $36. Dr. Brandt is very expensive, so I'm not shocked on that price. But let me know down below if you have tried this. Alright, so what I see in here, I'm not too like excited. This is by Tristiq. Tristiq is very expensive. This is the Summer Glow and Go, the mini summer essential set. So these are minis. Now let me see what this is, because on my FabFitFun for the last season I got this, but they were like lip glosses. And this says it's a mini highlight stick, mini blush stick, mini shadow crown, and a mini brow pencil. Okay, so this is something totally different, which I'm happy. Let's see how much this is, because this puppy's expensive. I do know that brand is. Oh God, you guys know when I get my glasses on, I gotta make sure I'm reading this puppy right, because this is mini, not full size. $42. $42. Holy cow for minis. All right, let's just see what they look like. Yeah, they're definitely like, you know. I don't know though if these are the full size. I don't know. It says mini, so. Oh, now I'm dropping them. Hold the phone. All right, so you get the 4 in here, right here. All right, so this must be the blush color. Oh, and it's even, I didn't think it was going to be shaped like that, so let's swatch it. So, of course, you guys know this is all cream. So there we go. And you can also wear this as a lipstick or anything. You don't have to just wear this as a blush. If you wear this as a blush, I mean, anybody like darker than me, it's not going to really show up. All right, so this is the highlighter. And I wonder if these are full size and then these are minis, unless maybe that's how they're shaped, because see, these are smaller than this. I don't know, we'll see. But this is the highlight stick. Looks like a pretty color. Yeah, this is like a pinkish color highlighter. It's very, very pretty. I definitely will use this. I like to use cream blushes when I'm not wearing foundation or anything like that. I just put a little bit on. It looks very pretty. All right, and then we have, which one are you? The mini brow pencil, and this is in the shade Americano. So let's see. All right, so let's see how much you get. Let's put it all the way up and let's see. I mean, so that's about how much you get, and that's enough to test it out. I mean, because this will last you for a while, and it looks like it'll be my shade. So let's see. It's very hard, and it's very, you know, it's light for me. So I would maybe just use it in the front or kind of do like a highlight in it. I usually use either the charcoal color or espresso. All right, and then this is, what was this? A mini shadow crown in Tahiti Shimmer. So we have that, and let's see. All right, so this is more bronzy. I don't know how many times I will use it, but I wanted to swatch it anyway because I wouldn't just put this in a giveaway. And then let's see what these highlight shades are, the highlight and the blush. So the blush is Moroccan Rose, and I can't read the highlight shade. All right, so we have that. $42. I would never pay $42 for this, but that's why I like getting stuff in the subscription box, because then you really paid. You get 5 items. The box is $25, so it's like you're paying $5 per item, you know? All right, so this is from Estetica. Estetica is another very expensive brand, and this is Sunset Bronzer. So I hope this isn't like a reddish tone. Let's see. This is $24, and I can understand that because they're very expensive as well. So it looks like this when you take it out of the box, and it's in their packaging that they usually have. So let's see. Oh, okay. So you get a nice mirror, and that is the shade. All right, let's do a little swatch. So right there. And that is the shade. That is definitely my color, and I'm definitely excited. It's more like a cool tone, and that's why I love my bronzers, to be like cool tone. All right, so I'm excited for this. So we have 2 more things. Then we have from Milk Makeup. What are you? This is the Kush Fiber Brow Gel for $20. And I haven't tried that. I love the Kush mascara. So let's see. I hope the wand isn't real big. No, oh no. Okay. This says clear, but this is coming off very brown. Let me read this again. Maybe I said it wrong. No, I didn't say clear. Why am I thinking it's clear? No. This, what shade are you? This is in the shade Diesel. So it's a dark brown, which will definitely match my eyebrows. So I'm really excited to try this. And last but not least is from Mud Masky. This is a hair mask, scalp treatment, and miracle shampoo. It's a 3-in-1. And this is $25.50. I don't know if I would pay $25.50 for this, but I don't know if I ever tried from their brand. So I got variation 25. I don't know what you can read there. All right, so let's recap really quick what I got. So I got from Estetica, I got the bronzer, which is this color here, which I'm really excited for. We have the Tristiq. I mean, I am happy to get it. They're pretty shades. I don't really go for crowns, but my God, $42. I'm just, you know. Then this is my choice item, so I am happy to get this. I'm definitely going to try this tonight when I take my makeup off. And then we have from Milk Makeup the Kush Brow Gel, which is in the shade Diesel, which is my color. And then we have the hair mask right there. So I'll leave right around here the total value for this box. So what do I think of it? The box was okay. If I had to give it a scale from 1 to 5, I'd probably give it maybe like a 3.5. It's definitely not the worst box that I've seen. You know, or that I have had. It's not the best box, but I definitely think you got your $25 worth. I really enjoyed it. So that is everything, guys. If you don't know, I do have a $500 giveaway going on right now. I will leave that down below. So if you like subscription boxes, if you like mystery boxes, hauls, anything like that that has to do with beauty, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. Give this video a like if you enjoyed this unboxing. If you like BOXYCHARM, then let me know. And make sure that you turn the post notification bell on and you double tap it and you have it on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos, because YouTube doesn't like giving out notifications anymore. And I do have another giveaway that will be up next week, so make sure you have that post notification bell on. And that's everything. As soon as my BOXYCHARM Premium comes, I will get that uploaded as well. So yeah, that's everything. If you haven't seen my last video, which is the Charlotte Tilbury mystery makeup box, I will leave that down below. Give that a check. And that's everything, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.